Hello students, let's solve few problems on ratio and proportion. Find whether the ratio 8 is to 12 and 18 is to 12 are 18 is to 27 are equal. So let's find. To find whether the ratios are equal, we can reduce them, right? So the ratios here are 8 by 12 and 18 by 27, right? So we can reduce them, right? 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. So this is 2 by 3, right? And here 3 no I can say 9 3s are 18, sorry, 9 2s are 18, 9 2s are 18 and 9 3s are 27. So this is also 2 by 3. So since both the ratios are 2 by 3, that means the ratios are same, and so the ratios are equal, right? So instead of writing like this, what I can do is I can just multiply and divide by 4 and multiply and divide by so no, I am dividing both by 4 and here I am dividing by 9. Okay, so since both the answers are same, so the said ratios are equal. I can write both ratios are equal. Okay. One more way what I can do is, so we are supposed to find out whether 8 is to 12 is equal to 18 is to 27, right? So these are the extremes. If extremes are equal to means, the product of extremes are equal to means, then they are equal, right? So 8 into 27 is equal to 12 into 18. If this is same, if these are equal, then the ratios are equal, right? So 8 into 27 is 216 and 12 into 18 is also 216. So both are equal, so therefore the ratios are equal. Therefore 8 upon 12 and 18 upon 27 are equal. Okay. Now let's see the next question. Find whether the ratio 5 upon 7 and 3 upon 4 are equal. Let's find out. So we are supposed to find whether they both are equal. So 5 is to 7 is equal to 3 is to 4. Let's see whether they are equal. So what you will do, 5 multiplied by 4 and 7 multiplied by 3. If they are equal, then it's equal, right? So 5 into 4 is equal to 7 into 3. 5 into 4 is 20 and 7 into 3 is 21. So both are not equal. 20 is not equal to 21. So hence the ratios are not equal. Okay. Let's see the next problem. Compare the ratios 12 is to 5 and 17 is to 13. You have to compare. So to compare the ratios, we have to make the denominators of both the ratio equal. So the two numbers are 12 by 5 and 17 by 13, right? I want to make the denominator equal. So what I'll do, I'll multiply the second denominator, multiply and divide the second denominator with the first ratio. So multiplied by 13 by 13. Okay. So, and I'll multiply the first denominator with the second ratio. So multiplied by 5 and divide by 5. Okay. So 12 into 13, it comes to 156, and 5 into 13, it comes to 65. And 17 into 5, it is 85, and 13 into 5, 65. So denominators are same, right? So the answers are 156 upon 65 and 85 upon 65. So 165 is greater than 85, right? So you are supposed to compare both the ratio. So therefore the first ratio is greater than the second one. Okay. So 12 by 5 is greater than 17 by 13. Okay. So when the denominators are same, you have to compare the numerators. If the numerator is greater, that ratio is greater. Okay. Next. Express the ratio 108 is to 144 in the lowest form. Okay, let's find out. So 108 upon 144. So both are divisible by 2, correct? So 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, right? Again you can reduce by 2, correct? So 2 2s are 4, 14, 2 7s are, okay, right? So 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are, so 27 and 36. So 27 and 36 both are divisible by 9, right? So 9 3s are 27, 9 3s are 27 and 9 4s are 36. So this is 3 by 4. So you cannot reduce more. So 3 by 4 is the lowest form of 108 is to 144. Right? Okay. So what I actually did is, the number was 108 and 144. Okay, I divided numerator and denominator by 12. Okay, so when I divide the numerator and denominator by 12, I get 9 by 12. Okay, then I divided by 3, then I divided by 3, so I get 3 by 4. So 108 and 144 both are divisible by 12, so I divided by 12 and then I divided by 3. Okay, so this is one more way you can solve. Okay, so next question, express the ratio 5:120 in the lowest form. Okay, so 5 upon 120, so 5 ones are right, and 5 twos are 10, 5 fours are 20, so 1 by 24. So 1 by 24. So what did I do? I divided numerator and denominator by 5, so divide by 5, so 1 by 24. Five divided by 5 is 1. 120 divided by 5 is 24. Okay, let's see the next question. Divide rupees 120 between 2 persons in the ratio 3:5. Okay, so I have to divide 120 between 2 persons in the ratio 3:5. Okay, so the sum of the ratio is 8, right? So first person share would be 120 into 3 by 8, and second person share would be 120 into 5 by 8, right? So how I'll write the total of the ratio, three plus 5, which is 8. Okay, so first person share (120) into 3 by 8. Okay, and second person's share is 120 into 5 by 8. So 120 into 3 by 8 comes to 45. Okay, and 120 into 5 by 8 comes to 75. Next, two numbers which are in ratio 5:12 have their sum 119. Find the numbers. Okay, so let the two numbers be 5x and 12x. So let us take the two numbers as 5x and 12x. Okay, so 5x plus 12x is equal to 119. This is given, right? So 5x plus 12x is 17x is equal to 119. So x is equal to 119 divided by 17. Okay, so which comes to 7. X is equal to 7. So hence first number, which is 5x, that is 5 into 7 is equal to 35. Second number, which is 12x, that is 12 into 7, it comes to 84. So the two numbers are 35 and 84. Let's see the next problem. A sum of money is divided among A and B in the ratio 2:3. If A receives 500, how much B should receive? Okay, so there's a sum. Okay, you don't know the amount, but you know it is divided between, the amount is divided between A and B in the ratio 2:3. Okay, so if A, that means 2 is 500, how much is 3? So what you will do, if 2 is 500, how much is 3? So 500 divided by 2 into 3, cross multiply. 500 divided by 2 into 3, it will come 750, right? So let's solve this. I mean, we have already solved. So given ratio, but how you will write in the exam? Given ratio is 2:3. So A's share is 2/5 and B's share is 3/5. Now 2/5 is equal to 500. So how much shall be 3/5? Yeah, 2/5 is equal to 500. Two by 5 is equal to 500. So therefore total money will be equal to 500 into 5/2. So 500 into 5/2 comes to 1250. B share is equal to 1250 into 3/5. Which comes to 750. If 2/5 is 500, how much is full? So it comes to 1250. Yeah. Let's see the next problem. The difference between two numbers which are in the ratio of 8:15 is 14. Find the numbers. Okay, let's find. Let the two numbers be 8x and 15x. So let the numbers be 8x and 15x because they are in the ratio of 8 and 15. Okay, so the difference is 14. That means 15x minus 8x is equal to 14. So 15 minus 8 is 7. So 7x is equal to 14. So x is equal to 14 by 7, which is 2. So if x is equal to 2, then what is 8x? So therefore 8x is equal to 8 into 2 and 15x is equal to 15 into 2. So 8 into 2 is 16, and 15 into 2 is 30. So the numbers are 16 and 30. Okay. Let's see the next question. Arrange the following ratio in the descending order. So you have to find out which of the numbers are the bigger number first. Okay, descending order means bigger number first. You have to arrange it in a descending order. Okay, so the ratio are 3 by 4, 4 by 5 and 5 by 6. You make sure the denominator is same. Okay, so let us take the LCM of 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. Okay, 5 I'll write as it is. Then 2 1s are 2, 5 and 3 I'll write as it is. 5 1s are 5. Okay. Then 3 1s are 3. Okay, so the LCM is 2 into 2 into 5 into 3. So 2 into 2 into 5 into 3 is 15 into 4, that is 60. So LCM is 60, right? Okay, so let us make the denominator 60, because the LCM is 60. 2 into 2 into 5 into 3 is 60. So yeah, LCM is 60. So make the denominator 60. Okay, so the first ratio is 3 by 4. To make the denominator 60, what I have to do? I have to multiply and divide by 15. I have to make the denominator 60. So 4 into 15 is 60, right? So now this ratio has become 45 by 60. Now second ratio. So the ratio is 4 by 5. I want to make the denominator 60. So I have to multiply by 12 to make it 60, right? So 5 multiplied by 12 is 60. So I have to multiply the numerator also by 12. So 4 into 12 is 48 and 5 into 12 is 60. Okay, now third ratio. Third ratio is 5 by 6. So to make the denominator 60, I have to multiply by 10, right? So 5 into 10, 50 by 60. So now the denominators are same, correct? So the order, I have to write it in descending order. That means the biggest number first. So 50 is greater than 48 and 45, right? So 50 by 60. Then next would be first I'll write 50 by 60, then I'll write 48 by 60, and then 45 by 60, right? So in this order, this is the descending order. So that means 5 by 6, then 4 by 5, and then 3 by 4, right? Or I can also write 5 is to 6, 4 is to 5, and 3 is to 4. So this is in descending order. Okay. So that's it for today. That's it for today, students. Have a great day. Thank you very much.